Hello, this is a quick user guide for online learning students currently enrolled onto any PTI, MDTI or ATI courses. This tutorial will teach you to navigate around the online platform. So this is what you see when you click onto your course. This is the main course homepage. And to navigate around the course, you can use this top left section here, which if you open the tabs here, you can see you can click onto Module 2's materials through here. You can also use this bit here at the top, which takes you back. This will take you back to the course. It has a short abbreviated name for the course here. This will take you back to the course category, and that'll obviously take you back home. So you can use this here to navigate. Obviously, you can use the main tabs here. As you can see, the courses are split up into modules. So Module 1, all their materials and quizzes are located here. All of Module 2 materials are here. And this will continue going down the page depending on how many modules are available on your particular course. There's always a final course quiz tab, which obviously is a final course quiz, and this is where you pick up the certificate at the end. General information about the course can be found up here. So if you click on some of these things here, such as this will open up a biography of the author, and maybe a picture there as well, depending on what course you're on. You've also got the course discussion forum. If you click on this, you can start discussions with other students that are also enrolled on the course. The course glossary, if it's available, should have will have all the abbreviations and key terms throughout the course. It have definitions for all those key terms and abbreviations. And I think a key tab which is up here is the email us with your questions for the author. So by clicking that, it'll open up an email, or if you copy the link, it'll have the email address. So if you have any questions regarding the materials on the course, please use this link and send us an email. It'll come through to us, and then we will then send the question on to the instructor. And then once we get an answer back from the author, we'll then send it on to you. It's also worth noting, if you do have any problems with the course at all, access, any issues, it's a good point of call to get hold of us if you don't have an email address for any of us. So module materials. So for Module 1, if you want to get a brief overview of the course, you can click here. So by clicking on here, this provides an outline of what you will learn on that particular module. The module materials and all the content can be found here with this green book symbol. So if you click on this, see this is all the materials for this particular module. Your table of contents is up here, and this shows you the various chapters that the module has been split up into. So if you want to start from the beginning, you can use these arrows in the top right, or once you scroll down, bottom right, and by clicking these, you can go through the course modules in order. If you want to find a particular module, a particular chapter, within the module, you can click on these tabs on the top left. To navigate your way back to the course homepage, you can use the tab up here, or if you want to navigate to another part of the course, you can use the navigation tab on the side here. So if we do want to move to Module 2, course materials, we can then go click on here. So if we go back to the course homepage, that's how you navigate through the course materials. Each module has an end of module course quiz. Simply click on this once you've read all of the course materials and you feel confident in answering questions. So once you click on this, as you can see, I've already attempted it once before, so I'm going to reattempt the quiz. And and you'll get taken to approximately 10 questions, which is currently timed at 10 minutes to complete it. And as you can see here, you've got various question answer options. So this is filling in the name. This is a simple multiple choice. And then once you've completed it, if you click next, you'll be able to view a summary of your attempt. And then obviously you can reattempt. You can return to attempt any questions you've not answered. If you're happy with all of your answers, if you click submit all and finish, and just confirm that, it will then take you to all the answers, and this is where you can review your the questions and answers that you've submitted. And then you get taken back to this page here. As you can see, I've taken it twice now, and I've not done very well on either, but it shows you your marks and grade, and you can review at any point. And with end of module quizzes, you can take them multiple times. There is no limit on how often you take the quiz. So once you've completed all of the course materials, all of the module quizzes, it'll be time for you to take on the final course quiz, which is exactly the same format and layout as the end of module quizzes. However, you do get a little bit longer to do this. There's a time limit of 30 minutes, and there is approximately 30 questions to answer. The final course quiz randomly generates 30 questions from a question bank from all of the previous modules that you have taken. So if you're doing a 10 module course, there will be approximately 100 end of module questions available, and what this does in the final course quiz, it just randomly generates 30 of them. So once you've done the final course quiz and you've completed the whole course, you'll be looking to get your certificate. The certificate will not be available to students until you have completed the final course quiz and scored at least 70%. And also it will not be available unless you've also spent a certain amount of time overall on the course. Once you've achieved both of these, the certificate will become available. To get your certificate, if you click on certificate and then get your certificate, as you can see, it comes up as a PDF. So it's up to you how you save that. You can save it or print it. And that is how you navigate your particular course, how you access all your course materials, quizzes, certificates. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you do have any further questions regarding the online learning, please email us at e-learning@pti-global.co.uk.